we've all been there. We've just finished our first real estate investing conference. We've read a book. We're all excited to go out there and acquire a number of properties. And what's the first step that we need to consider once we've got that education and level of excitement and we know it's something that we want to do? Firstly, it's just really important to have a strong team around you. So us at the Alberta on Fire investor team, we take a lot of pride in holding the hand of our clients and guiding them in the right direction, so maybe they don't make the same mistakes that we've made in the past in our investing careers. The majority of our team has a large portfolio. They have rental properties themselves. They're landlords as well as doing this business full time. So we've been in the game, we've been in your shoes. I guess another real important part is we speak the same language. We get all the verbiage. We know that the importance of cash flow, and it's not traditional realtor business that we offer. It's more customized only to investors. So 95+% of our clientele are investment only. We only have a realtor or two on our team that do anything outside of that, even a little bit. What the Alberta on Fire investor team can offer you that's unique is that yes, we have the experience of being landlords. Yes, we speak the same language when it comes to investment properties and not the traditional realtor activities and language. So we get that. We get the cash flow. We get renting places out and what you're looking for. The other thing is we have off-market listings. So these are properties that have been acquired over the 10+ years we've been doing this. And now our clients are looking to maybe retire or offload a few properties or offload their entire portfolio. So these are properties that already have a renter in place, they're cash flowing, and we are just transferring it from one investor who's looking to exit the game and another investor who's looking to build their portfolio. The banks love this because there's already an income stream in place, there's a tenant and a lease in place, so it makes it easier for you to qualify for these properties. It also puts your mind at ease as a new investor that, am I going to get this rented? Am I going to be held carrying a mortgage or taxes or insurance and not have that income stream in place? So it's great peace of mind that these private listings have all that taken care of for you. The other thing that we offer that's a very unique aspect of our team is we've got a wealth of experience in new construction and development, and also the creativity and the evolution of new projects is our specialty. We have everything from single family home projects on the go to duplexes with suites. We've got small multifamily buildings, and we're even working on larger multifamily 50+ unit communities really that are in excellent areas, easy places to rent out, a lot of amenities close by. So we spend a great deal of our time finding the right piece of land, putting the right property on that piece of land in an excellent area that's extremely attractive to the tenant profile that we are looking to get, and generally it's young families is what we're looking for. And so that whole process starts very early on. It may take us 2 to 3 years to develop all these projects and see them through before they're actually completed and in the hands of this new investor. But it's something that we specialize on. Usually the investor is just waiting about 10, maybe 12 months. They're not waiting that 2 to 3 years. We've started that well in advance. I've been doing this a long time, and just being focused 100% on investment properties has allowed me to meet some of the greatest people in this business, whether it's mortgage brokers or lawyers or property managers, a hugely important part of your team. So from the financing end to managing the property to executing the legal side or accounting or bookkeeping, these are things that we've been able to acquire a great network, and they may not work specifically in our business, but they're people that we can refer you to that we have a great amount of trust in because they have an excellent track record, and we've done it with hundreds of clients and had them go through these other property managers or these other businesses that are really formulating your power team when it comes to investment property and building a portfolio that's going to be successful long term. One of our key focuses as a team is to make this process of acquiring a property or building a project or building a multifamily building very easy and straightforward and passive in effect for you as an investment. So we've taken care of all those details ahead of time in terms of, acquiring the right piece of land and then building out a specific property, say a 6-plex or an 8-plex, that's going to provide you a good yield as an investor, and then also selecting things such as the spec and the inclusions that are just required so that you're going to attract the right tenant and you're going to get these places filled very quickly and they're going to stay occupied. We've got an excellent team that have a ton of experience in development and construction and put these packages together very custom for our investors. And then when the client ends up seeing it, when you as the investor end up seeing it, it's ready to go. And all those decisions have been made for you and the direction has been set so that you just are looking through the numbers and seeing if those numbers make sense for you and for your portfolio, and away you go. One of the unique value adds is we've got dozens of properties that are not on the MLS. So these are properties that already have tenants in place and the landlords are just looking to, move on or dissolve their portfolio or retire. And they want to keep that tenant in place and they want to keep that income stream and the rent coming in without spooking their tenant or inconveniencing their tenant. So they'll come to our team and they'll privately list these properties that already have a lease in place. And then we're able to take those and present them to new investors that want to take over and build their portfolio. And so they have access to not only the MLS properties and not only these large new construction projects that we do, but they also have access to dozens of off-market, already rented private listings. So if you as an investor are looking to buy or sell, we have an excellent team and a lot of resources put in place to help you be successful and help to make the process as easy as possible. I'm Warren Pratt, owner of the Alberta on Fire Investor Team. To get in contact with our team, make sure you click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.